Obama, little.
Obama. Can you say it again?
Hi, people.
Who are you voting for? Who did Mike and Joe tell you to vote for? Do you remember? Obama, right?
Where's Josh?
Where's Josh? Uncle Josh? Who else?
Papa Mike is in Tennessee.
Papa Mike is in Tennessee. That's right.
Cece Pop.
Where's Cece and Pop?
And you puppet.
Cece and Pop, yes, they are involved with the puppet. They're in Australia. Can you say Australia?
I see.
Yeah. Can you say, where's Daddy?
And bacon.
Bringing home the bacon?
Yeah.
Okay.
My cooking the pan.
Mommy's cooking it in the pan?
The bacon.
The bacon? I guess so. Daddy teaches you some great things, doesn't he?
Obama.
Obama. No, he didn't teach you that. Who taught you that?
Uncle Mike.
Aunt Joe and Uncle Mike. That's right.
What Thomas and shaking in the pot.
You want to watch Thomas the Tank Engine with Pop?
This.
Okay.
There's a circle.
Yeah, that's a circle on the camera.
There's another circle too.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.